Good day guys, I hope you guys are good. CK Lamini speaking. I'm back again with another great video guys. So now I just want us to look at this beautiful problem in the board. So now this one, it's just unique. It's unique on its own. It's the same as solve for x, still the same thing. But now here we're simply focusing on t. We are removing x, we are putting t. So we are still doing the same thing. But in this case, we're solving for t. Now guys, this is on another level. It's something that just by looking at it, it's something on another level. It's not the same as these kinds of stuff we used to do, like 5 to the exponent of x equals to 1, whereby we know very well that we need to change 1 as 5 to the exponent of 0, then we get x is equals to 0. It's not like that. It's unique on its own. So I just want us to look at simple stuff. So now, by the way, please do not forget to subscribe and like the video guys. Comment if there's something you want me to solve, you want me to attend to certain concepts, grade 8, 9, 10 to 12 guys. Remember, I'm just jumping around, understand, since I'm preparing for exams too. But this is one of the problems I saw somewhere, so I thought I should also share this one. Now, as I said, one of the unique problems. Let's look at it. Before I start, let me divide the board because this might even finish the whole board, by the way. So now let's look at this. We have 2 to the exponent of t, which is equals to t to the exponent of 32. So now, what is it that we should think about here? So the first thing that we should look at here, it's the mere fact that we have a power which is equals to another power. But on this power, this side here, we have the base of 2, and this side we have the base of t. Understand? Now, this 2 is raised to an exponent of t. This t is raised to an exponent of 32. So now, let's look at this. Now remember, when it comes to us dealing with the exponent of t here, this is the simple step that we know. When we have an exponent of t there, in order for us to remove the exponent of t, we simply multiply by 1 over t. Why are we doing that? So that we can form a fraction of t over t, then t cancels t. But now look at this side. Remember, when we're dealing with equations in mathematics, whatever you do on the right hand side, you must also do it on the left hand side. So now, this is what we did on this side. We must do the very same thing here. But here we have 32. We need to multiply that 32 with 1 over t. Now, let's look at it. It's going back to multiplying fractions. Remember, when we're multiplying fractions, we must multiply the numerator and the numerator. So we're going to have t over t, which is equals to t to the exponent of 32 over t. It's still simple. Be with me. Look, this is very simple. We're just playing around fractions, exponents, and powers. So now, what is t divided by t? T divided by t, we know very well that this is 1, which is going to be equals to, this one is just going to be t to the exponent of 32 over t. But now, this is one thing that we're starting to realize. When looking at this 32 and t here, we want to, remember, I don't know if you watched the video that I shared before of solve for x. I said, we must at all times group the variables this side and the constant this side. So this side, it's going to be our side of variables. This side, it's going to be our side of constants. Remember, constants, numbers without letters. Variables, numbers with letters or letters only. So yeah. Now, we want to remove this 32 this side. We need to multiply with a fraction in which is going to cancel 32. So in this case, we can multiply by 1 over 32. But remember, everything that we do on one side, we must also do it this side. So since we multiply by 1 over 32, we multiply by 1 over 32 even this side. Guys, this is simple. So now look, this will cancel this now. Then we are left with t to the exponent of 1 over t. Understand? Do not be lost. Be with me. Be with me. So now look, here we have 2. Remember in mathematics, in order for us to solve level 4 type of questions, we need to manipulate some of the concepts, but we are not manipulating them in such a way that we end up being wrong. Understand? We are not breaking any rules, but we need to manipulate somehow. We are not manipulating, but we are reversing situations. Here we have 1. This 1 is still the same as 2 over 2. I don't know if you understand. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 16 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So now 2 over 2 here multiplied by 1 over 32. There's no rule that I just broke here. Nothing. Now once I have this, now I know that, okay, fine. This is 2 over 2. Am I wrong to say now 2 to the exponent of 2? We close bracket, we say 1 over 2. Remember, this is still the same as that. Understand? So this is still the same as 2 over 2. Then multiplied by 1 over 32, which is simply equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. There's nothing that I've messed up here. 2 to the exponent of 2, it's simply 4. Then we raise this to an exponent of 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 32, which is equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. Be with me, guys. We're going to finish. Now, look at these two. We need to multiply fractions here. We need to say 4 here. 4 to the exponent of 1 over 2 times 32, which is 64, which is equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. I don't know if you're still with me. Be with me. Be with me. So now we have 4 here. Understand, we have 4. Remember, 4 has an exponent, which is, even if we can have this, but if we say multiplied by 1, it's still the same thing. So we can simply say 4 to the exponent of 1 times 1 over 64. Still the same thing, right? Nothing is changing. 1 times 1 over 64, it's 1 over 64. So now, t here, 1 over t. Look at this one. We can change this one again to 2 over 2. So we have 2 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 64, which is equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. Then this one, now it's going to be 4 squared. We close bracket. We put 1 over 2 times 1 over 64, which is simply equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. I don't know if you still understand. Now look, when we have these two fractions here, we multiply this and this, this and this. But what is 4 squared? 4 squared, it's simply 4 times 4, which is 16. Okay? Then we multiply that, it's going to be 1 over 2 times 64. 2 times 64, it's 128. Let me confirm on my calculator, guys. My brain is not a calculator at some point. 128 multiplied by, no, 2 multiplied by 64. Yes, it's 128. It's a matter of confirming to us now. So, which is equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. I just want you to understand, guys, this is very simple. I'm going to break a few concepts down once I'm done here. Look, once we have 16 to the exponent of 1 over 28 is equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t, then that is when now we repeat the very same process with this 16 that we have here. 1 times 1 over 128 is equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. Let's continue. This is what we have now. This is the case. Now we have 16. Remember, this one we can change it to 2 over 2. So we have 16 now. 16, 2 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 128, which is simply equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. Still understand? Now look, these are two fractions and we have 16. We do the very same thing we've been doing. Then we are leaving 1 over 2 here, multiplied by 1 over 128, which is simply equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. Then now, this 16 squared now, 16 times 16. 16 times 16 is supposed to be 256. So we have 256. Then now, we multiply those. 1 over 2 times 128, it's 256, which is equals to t to the exponent of 1 over t. I don't know if you realize now, Look at this power here and this power here. This power is 256 to the exponent of 1 over 256, which is equals to t raised to an exponent of 1 over t. Now if you can look at the pattern, this power is the same as this power. Instead of t as the base, they put 256. Instead of t here, they put 256 and 1, which simply means to us, therefore, our t is equals to 256. This is our final answer, guys. Now let me explain something. When looking at this equation, it's not something that is a problem that much, but it wants you to understand, in order for you to get somewhere, you must have a clear picture in mind sometimes, but that is built through practicing. Understand, as I always say, practice doesn't make someone perfect, it only makes someone improve. Understand? So now when looking at this, we already see that, okay, fine, if now we can make this base the same, it's the same as what the example I made before. I said 5 to an exponent of x is equals to 1. If you know that 1 and this, in order for me to solve this, I must make this the same base as this. So hence we say 5 to the exponent of x is equals to 1, we change it to 5 to an exponent of 0. And we know very well that once these bases are the same, those two must be equal to each other. You understand? So that's the very same thing, that's the very same concept we are playing around here. We are trying to ensure that, okay, fine, if at least we make these two the same and these denominators the same, then that one the same, then we know that this is simply going to be equals to 256. Guys, I hope you understood. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for being part of the community. I just want us to work on mathematical concepts and play around equations, play around nice stuffs. I'm still gonna come, guys, with fun math. I'm still gonna show you my learners within the school. I'll show you though, I'll just show you how they perform, how good they are at some point. We are all doing the very same thing. We are all sharing the very same word. So I hope you guys are good and I hope you're just gonna be well. Thank you guys for being with me. Just hit that like button, and also do not forget, guys, to subscribe and join the community. Let's be together, guys. Let's keep on working with this. Thank you so much. Peace out.